Hi, I'm Naresh from St. George University, and I'm here for the fair by Rao. And the one word that I have to say for this fair from Rao, wow. I really liked it. I really enjoyed the hospitality that you had. But more than the hospitality, I'm very much happy to be at this fair because this is the first time Rao is having an event like this. And I'm very sure that I'll be attending this kind of fair for the next coming years too. And when after 5 years, when Rao will be introducing me, I'm very sure that my university's name will be there when they will say this university is with us from the beginning. I'm happy to be here because the quality of the students that came in was super great. The number of students that came in was good enough. And again, I liked everything from the start to the end of this event. I wish Rao good luck and do well and all the best for your future events. Keep it up. Thank you.